Hi, this is Biba Ovidia Aquaba. I had yet later than hot is and I'm the promo. And so we can subscribe. We are. What say over subscribe to the channel. You'll be answer over click the subscribe button. Now, barely notification. We have a video for phobia. I upload when the first person I will start the car. Video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now, fee. Shema of a frozen will be here and I will and summer and coso air war down a baby. I feel you share a year and summer about the toy you also. Yes, I report ya about to get it is something I'm
going to Jubilee House, Beniatio, and you are destroying people's business. The party is for all of us. We are not scared of nobody. We are not. Read my lips. We are not scared of nobody. And nobody can use anybody's name to intimidate anybody in this party.
I say, me big man. Okopiamo Jubilee House or more time. As Antimedia to Kajan say, you cannot bring this stupid dressing here. You not big man in the NPP won't pass Antimedia to Democratic. Big man more to me kofa contact the back. Some person mo yananke bo manums when you be kakadia to mutum as Antimedia to many yajuma. Pharmacy cancer. Yeah. What to coin or banner Antimedia to position. Dr. Raoul for yeah. I say there be a Antimedia to say your time is over. Now go and look at people who are MPP for. They are not pleased and happy with the conduct of Antimedia to. Because as Antimedia to call fast or yen woman and said I'm conquering.
Now who are much amuye the din? Mon komisa wayomi. Na mo misa cocoa board guy and friends say.
Yeah, Dr. Opuni.
Opuni, me ba see ya netie.
I don't expect anything. He is the Speaker of the House. So whatever he says, we abide by it. He's coming to announce it.
Oh, okay.
He didn't tell us what he was going to say. Okay. Until we don't know. He's going to make an announcement. Because nobody knows the announcement he's going to make. Okay. And they've occupied our seats. So, I don't know.
The announcement,
my brother, please. Those who are supposed to talk are not even talking. So, I don't want to, say anything. You've crossed me just to make a statement. And I've told you what transpired. That we have agreed. The Speaker is coming to make an announcement. So whatever he says, he didn't tell us what he's going to say. So we are quiet, waiting, patient.
And so our expectation, the Speaker.
I don't expect anything. He's the Speaker of the House. So whatever he says, we abide by it. That's it.
So if Speaker says he should be the minority, be the minority.
But who am I to say no? If if that's what he's going to say. I don't have a problem, so please.
Yes, sir, Honorable Kenny. Oh, yes. Well, my checks and the report that I'm hearing. Honorable Kenny says he's a senior member of Parliament. Now, Shabra Ken has been a parliamentarian for 24 years. Yes. From 2000. And I know a lot of experience, a lot of friends over there.
Okay.
Oh, sir, Ken, can I put in this contest and I can't have any markings?
And I could.
Yes.
By way a bad boy,
Arindia.
Oh, 70.
Oh, Seti. See. Papa nipa baako so I say can penasem pa fenyo ka ho.
If I can oh, cut up Pawasema and found no bonny obedi in Chetia no for Wasamu.
Ada fe ye boni bi tia na na.
And I call those after my you open the carriage market.
Oh, but Seti. But so no bia so nim se no ka ken wana.
Na bi me man share after my Ken campaign so that.
Sa
play double game. He or try say
as
why was say why mediator as we go class who fa ken one one about patch on about saying
okay
but he wasn't a genuine person
from what you said.
Yes, he wasn't because Ken campaign MP so you money men me who apart from I me can say Cynthia Morrison I don't know you campaign campaign no or no for Kenya and I can support yet I be as say be at but massa yes say and Fatu number prison in round and Fatu another prison in Tiato Abana with the other year which was Yam. Ken the one with Yamanaka I Ken. That is Ken, one on the star. Men are put all kind of contest, yeah, men supporting the point now because the mafia war Ken on the constituency.
Okay.
The only constituency I can get the least vote in the Ashanti region. I am Manchester South. Because Napo sell Montua Bano electoral area by electoral area. Ya to abanu we ba omenya more votes kan de ka onya kana mo nam e hwe bom koto sa ba no ba ken no so penasem no do ba no o penana dan fo no
Or campaign.
Or campaign man and fan.
The Shabo now propose a major party Kenya compare could play an instrumental role. And right, propose a major party so could of Parliament House. He was part of the leadership of Mukonik Abanbag and Kushiaye. Edim Komobebre. Edim Komobebre. You have to look into the future because the decision you take today can bring chaotic issues for Parliament next anomano. And they all have to sit down and reason and make sure so nobody to make conkai. Shabla Sisi. Mami Kasam show. That's what I come say. Credia compare quite upon home. The day I had a meeting with him, and I said, this man is so lovely. The day I had a one-on-one meeting with him, like maybe an hour, I dim come on. Now come on, I dino. I peculiar to a debian in a year, come was in a year per se. Ute so see me doing come on, bombetia many asses. Credia compare quite upon ye. I say, Uncle Kana, Uncle. As a Uncle Kana, Uncle. And Shabu, and now to report, by Chesse. Utium Comodiano ni speaker idea. Obia the input to ba. Say Jack, we should make sure same Pogu anymore say you bet me aboa ama bibia there should be a dialogue. There should be a make up. And not at this particular time. Thank you. May exit Parliament. You know, my also so be another year to about may speaker be mano. Take concrete decisions that will help Ghana. Because I know you can more can speak about training people for us. Kobacho masopa and can call to rule in Naba. Because I understand them. One of smart from file and set it aside Supreme Court. Yes. So I mean, yes. And to the cause of a train people, once much as the separation of powers. Parliament, Amamore Abasa of Nayu. They decide the executive or penny and a prime minister. Executive. Omonfa. And the legislature. Yes. And not the judiciary also Chief Justice in the Kofo. And then some job for. Yes, I'm job for the encounter. One Adam. Na yen ye be shemra. Amam waiting. Watch him. Do some run part of the constitution and Tiasia. One am for interpretation. But who says I will wait? It was just a thank you as a man for like you said, Chief Justice, only team around with the assembly. They were just to thank President Kufado. Because he who assemble with him. Here said, after marking Timothy Ba, now constitute panel. It's just the assembly. As I'm saying, the assembly choir than the constitute panel. That Chief Justice, we have to talk about the issue. And as it raises a lot of concerns. Chief Justice, we know where my or bar. I have a soft heart for them. One union question, really, because we have Supreme Court election 2012 na 2018 na. Unye mame ayi mame oh former Obama friend say Obama Theodore Wu. What the Kofo and appointed, but she wasn't part of the process. Kofo na appointed. Yes. Mahama and a president and election waba problem. Only chief the justice. And one panel a judge for, and a tuga and the leader, the presiding judge, to no tinche. And Tino said, or no tinche, say, I didn't share Obeti Martinum, but no one babatum, a chamber at home. Timamino, and we are not say, Memen Tranche, because the vice is a supervisor. What a case where a case here. Nanka judge for what at your disposal at the Supreme Court. Now it has to take Chief Justice. Our campaign. Now, no, Mobia will say a funeral be yes. As a equal labor say, or a deputy MPP women organizer. Mamma. So, almost a man for a labor. And to Emma, in fact, now Bamba person which I say, as ye diagra, a chamber parliament, to an Amobia no be a master the court. No be a master the court. Not say the bad then where is the independence of the parliamentary council? And now he said, I can know Papa no Ken. And right, he was an outstanding. Teacher Metabos, we don't need to say that NBC. Also, we know majority of the MPs. Or when you say, I didn't acquire it, and not we do come off air. They tell when we are MPD. Say English, you said English, a month from Sly. All an air parliament house. There be about cruising NBC for. And if you know more, you know, yes, MPP need no more. We are dinner coupon. Asapa. I'm super for you. But myself, and not me share MP for press conference somewhere, Franco. What's your MP's Timina?
They were just asking themselves,
where
did they start?
Me say the genesis. You can make a mistake today, it will haunt you for the rest of your life. Ananim, you can make mistake by any. Until it will haunt you. The mistake the MPP did in 2020 is hunting them till 2024. It you much sa kakra ewa na bibia bebum emu na bibia bebum na asan atwe akwa akire ade we enti ameka say ade we asi no political party na so musunya and free
but now papa no now he didn't want to steal the show Ken what I don't do we was saying some for was there be I don't want to speak but now whatever Ken be Ken no news and I never trend
yes and I can no and sure us be na so church wait must go overboard
yes well be do
me ka di business na ni pa na okoye mediator cause solve asem wase aba wese no kra but then no he shows so a mature person say there be nya botani nyina isam chop for mu pushi no mu push
the video on I had reduce
yes
no had reduce din
oh shameless is
no on I Collins Dowder
quite sad also on Collins Dowder na die oni ni me no die shameless me say me kwaye bi man be friend da kusi
okay
me ne I can call ti e call ya na papa ba ye friend say udobo ndi sisi
Collins
Dowder buy to buy na da kusi ne dey church oh we cry friend Franco we adwuma HFM no say we adwuma HFM kele da Japan station oh mo papa no mo papa ayo mo papa madam no yi phone e no frek no the two speaker no friend of body bi okay na me no so me wo kuma so no oh my be sia o man ba ko ha o no say friend no say HFM no say What me tell say din komo say Franco ko jam ka na wansa wako so no obey or yen action or call and I said to myself what is the rapport between Canada country ko Japan and Collins Dowder now that me say mo video bi Kumasi airport o say yen kodi you see say
and you feel say sir Ken and the chairman Samuel type no that's your leader can this occurrence in parliament
second year only me majority leader
oh the one
me chief whip Debbie what the mo try almost so that crash some the so mo money because any power is unpredictable no one farm say the big crab is over Canada Debbie but as a leader Shabla Sisi kwa wa fan so conducting and one is man I'm okay with it and I'm pleased with it and now report say by Paris and no ni speaker din common no minority majority for you din come that me one more see o there should not be chaotic na yanti and one say sa no man and it's no man cause but Shabu I deal with the genesis and I deal with
allow me here
genesis no
Samuel Okuni opare ansamo some Ken so faso some Ken nipa mo so nim kasa
so I'm say you nim kasa
the tense of Kenya
don't go see kasa no mra but no ahwe he exhibited he's a mature person din comot church say woman Shabu enra no unse bibi pemwa that's why done some and no bibi pem before Emma mu asa ma dane samai ana mo de make am say heti o mo say yes
yes tin that's all you don't say you boom I don't know
one say
like you boom say
Akufo-Addo in office but the parliamentarians are suffering the decision that they took years is affecting them is hunting them
but in
2020
what Afayo Markin did no was just to protect Akufo-Addo because seka majority need now so Akufo-Addo he will impeach
say
seka the Bamba the rule no e course
na want to do kai omo kura do omo first target kura ye e-levy ngofo no me say idea kita omo no
come be Akufo-Addo basa
omo say ka sports betting omo be yes Akufo-Addo uncertain sin nature ni ntwam one 2 e-levy so mu yedi free because Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia the year campaign so obo be yedi free o dey fine agree you free o my sisi no bi omo bi am fine campaign be no bi ahontonton and I say hey and if you look at the trend that no more kwasha it's serious and you see the they move as a unit and it's for the as an army hey
let me be honest with you your MPP now MPP co-position they are happy your MPP and the MPP co-position
okay
reason they say oba no obi from nowhere Material parliament I also kind of quarantine or movie minister
hey
me wa mama
na me can you watch am today want
why you will say
yes
you will say any promise no any ya beto bi de into bi de kan so to ma jana ejare de asintu
I want empire.
ayi wan mpai and the air course of parliament
MPP
and when you have an Nebuchadnezzar
Adolf Hitler.
Or presenting who as trouble for buyers and where Jetta Brewer or Betchem Manfari. Sana, now Franco, person share on our video.
Okay.
Where? We are going to Jubilee House. And you are destroying people's business. The party is for all of us. We are not scared of nobody. We are not. Read my lips. We are not scared of nobody. And nobody can use anybody's name to intimidate anybody in this party. You, Alex, what? What do you want? Now, who are you doing? Monkobisa Wayomi. Namumisa Coco Board guy and friends say,
yeah, Dr. Opuni.
Opuni, me ba see ya netie. Me ba say ya netie.
Submarine approach.
And there's more whatever. Me ba say ya netie. I am not afraid of any human being. I will always speak the truth. And nobody, I say nobody, is above the law. We are all Ghanaians. You cannot use anybody's name to intimidate anybody in this country. It won't work. It won't work. Because we are all Ghanaians. We are all Ghanaians. Now, Mama prefer Ayarikov, secretary, already concerned to a young man. You know, the first time I talked about this young man, MPP Women's Wing were calling me, giving me evidence of the guy's
about
contribution.
This, a company, okay? GL for
No, Alpha, the contribution.
Okay.
Now this guy is using Bedi Etio's name everywhere.
Well, does it mean say be Alpha no 1 year contribution be a papa be towards the
Honorable Ken?
Yes.
First, who called Jubilee House? Be Santi Bedia to be Santi Bedia. Yet the Santi Bedia to move the man for a Jim man for Sassy as man for contract. And Asante
Bedia to the executive secretary
to the president.
Or say ambassador at large. He is a big man in government.
Asante Bedia to post Kuran.
Yes.
And no one be named Courage. The Ocasa President Mills is upset. No.
Kwakwayido. So, Kwakwayido is not also executive secretary. But why didn't get 2 portfolios?
Now say 2 portfolios.
He's still there. No. Or ambassador at large. Ambassador at large. Executive secretary
to the president.
And to penny Pabako Kitap or your close ally, close associate to the president as a
one or a power drum because that's the position. I Mama Tam, Joyce Bamutan.
Yes, I would have it you. Or Bian Swag you.
And I because I direct offer to Akufado.
Shabu CCC. And so we be far past executive secretary. Not as we are Ben no bit of coverage upon the Oh, Granty. Now, correct upon Modena, Oman Swag.
Yes. I can't confess as a
Media to me, the executive secretary, also the executive secretary. Shabu CCC. May say, me big man. Okopiamo Jubilee House or more time. Asante Media to Kajan and say, you cannot bring this stupid dressing here. Next time, be in tie and come over here.
Would be a year campaign now with order. A man for year campaign. Yes, I will be on penny the article chief of staff.
You know big men in the NPP won't pass and be there to the inquiry. Big men. Big men who want to make a contact in the back. Some person we anke bo manum so nya bibi kakra dia to mutum asante be dia to mani nya adwuma.
I say DC Akufo-Addo appoint and reverse.
Ye wo krom ha. Kokofu we abefi. Your friend Asef man op morning show come and dey say in forest do say job position
yeah forest commissioner.
What can I say John say post position yeah. Eh you no be kind man no
Kokofu yeah.
What does you radio so catch him say kwasira yen kwa asori nyina. O kasa wi ani be 1 hour. Na gabinya sentiment to ma sign the letter for Frababonten. As some them say John. The nyambe ye bia ye. E bia nka Kokofu so ne kopiem of forest commission kontiase. Ena ono na mo na so kopiem say EPO say de ben ni say. Hwa amanfo a they are able to revoke the appointment. Papa mana I find say mana fa na find say. Oh, pharmacy council man.
Oh, Krasi Mudin.
Dr. Manaf and event.
Dr. Manaf. Oh, me affinity, and do with you. Oh, as soon as I say
pharmacy council.
Yeah.
What to coin? Or by not sent to be dear to position. I'm saying this and I know what I'm saying. Not sent to be dear to position. Papa, Dr. Raouf. Oh yeah. I'm saying there be a sentiment to say your time is over.
Waje.
Ashabra sisi.
Nipa you say the president and the what that appointing power. And then the office is so powerful.
Why the position in the court? Now go and look at people who are MP before. They are not pleased and happy with the conduct of Asante Media too. Because Asante Media to call fast or yen woman and said I'm conquering. And it's no man. So it tells you say no man air course with a shabra sisi. I would have home ya. So a lot of MP people are not happy. They are not pleased with the conduct of Uran and Media Asante Media too. Ya ushabu.
But frankly, nipa own tiapa a man for prayers. But Asante Media say people are not wishing him good.
Me say Bible said by their deeds you know them. Now me kase me chiro say yet ye me kase credit a complex points in a critical condition. Na be publicly yaka obia mompae man you hear comments and what people write. Speedy recovery. Nyankopon ka ho we wish you well. Yet ye John Dramani Mama. Opa me enka say John Mama is in a critical condition. Ghana ni bia mompae man. Even ne nkofo kwa o no muni political parties they will pray for him. Yet ye ma Alan Kwadwo Chairmantin yen ka say papa na ntiapo go and look at the kind of prayers Ghanaians will pray for him. Why Asante Media too? Eso bisa ho sa question. Why say Franco yare a obi be bom paya ma Franco. Pastor ntiapo me bom paya man. Ja bless nkwa yare de messages a eba nyina ne encouraging. Obi say menya nkawu, obi say ne bone e wadi na etua ne so ka ene sa no ma no. You ask yourself why that person?
But you Nigerian say I say you Nigerian guy be watching that so when you're happy with. I say kwanya ma fa so ma label on nebusuan ni.
Omon call lock who them. They should lock themselves in the closet and ask few questions about their life. And so mu so mo say e dey na say Ghana for nyam pro ma say. E dey na say about 90% of Ghanaians including MPP for Nanka Sampenasem. These are the kind of things they should be so. E dey na say and so one can see and practical research about their life. And no more their actions and inactions, how it has caused a lot of people. No more ICC. They meant that when you end this if you and people for not be quite happy. Some apparent tiapo. Anani, a lot of people are happy. They feel and think that they can get access to the president. Because one of what if you want to see the president, Nanke Ohama Kagadochida Kubet match Afrebo Cheja Como, aka no kwa Mary negotiation. The president has ordered us to tell you we are going to a Mary negotiation.
But I'm going to say, Obi Kwako per Juma or Bompire say, Obi Oye, Bika, Ocean Nambiana, Ipanamco, yes. Send Obi are not Obi or person who present, maybe I'll block no. Then no one to me access. Do you think these people or no Bompire was a braba? No Pire open your Western body and young. Meaning so what the latest update shares and to be there to or to say. Shabu Franco Asante Media to we are moving every baby and all one. Ye na akwa baby they want only the family members to get close to him. I like that there's no improvement. The condition I can't say that. But oh bompire no bompire man. So baby Asante Media hospital with the card in the corner. Or Master location. And it is exclusive to the family alone. As it say baby I know ya or the honor. Oma pe baby a doctor for no say broche machines ni big buje. Na kwa say baby the you need the nephew. Emma na busu afom kwa na won who say. How you interpret it and yamasema. Franco Ntiapo. The Shabora assistant story TV nyan himself hospital when Franco da. Ade achi amoba no Franco ni hobi. Ade na ko baby na busu afom kwa na person na busu afom na ben no. Any dim komo. They don't want his report to come into public knowledge. But almost a year say Asante Media is a Ghanaian and a year amount for candidate Asante Media to so they yes, so people have interest in it. But Franco, asema okay, ubube. But say bube na Tibetia. Say obi yare datafu hospital. That's it. Ne yare ni mu ya. Yen transfer for me. Asante Media to you moving from hospital to Dano and now ko baby foforo. And a Yamana Bushia from Kwan and one of them. They want the family members and Kwan to get close to him. Obi yare da Amasama community hospital. That's a local Kolibua. Can't chair me send the situation. One casa recover. ani edi na ko ho
masa one kasa for what we to na say obi say kamasem bia kamasem enya na make am medium information na media ma wo say ba bia wo da yi di na fi ho esa di na ko ba bi fofo na busuafo nko a close family people close and a one in chom ni bi nkomo so obetimi akasa yo so ni nkasa yo obi anim so onu maduro obi anim but close family close and a one in chain no money e bomb pay man ni di nkomo se papa no obetimi ato no ase aba no abaye na adwuma and what I say mu ya kenya nya critical no e family members na one in chain
yo tipo we ni ensema ababeto ye proso because GCB so and our hello so we now subscribe ya omudi ase over subscribe to the channel sanse hadie latest and hot news kwa eramde bremo after we are not like video no na fe share ma of so na we be here na wo hu ensema ekoso ewo Ghana no mo han we so betimi akire wadin fa ye ensem we na hu ewo comment box no obeti ninkami in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.